Yeah, good evening. Up to yesterday, exception handling completed. Okay. Java fundamentals, object-oriented programming, interfaces and packages, inner class and packages, string handling, wrapper classes, exception handling. These all completed. Okay. So up to yesterday class, whatever you studied, that is called Java language. That is called Java language. Okay. After language, application development will be there. Today onwards, application part. Okay. But application part is more and more in advanced Java class. Advanced Java first day onwards, advanced Java applications only. See, in advanced Java, real-time applications will be there. Like for example, this type. Online shopping. Okay. Online shopping. See, registration, login, this type of programs. Advanced Java onwards, real-time Java starts. Advanced Java onwards. So, advanced Java, so many things will be there. Okay. Advanced Java onwards, different will be there. This is all. Okay. Advanced Java, real-time application starts. But core Java application part is less. Language part is more. Language part only 70%. Okay. And 30% application part. But advanced Java total 100% application only. 100% application part. Advanced Java first day only application started. That's what for learning advanced Java up to exception handling knowledge required. Now you can join in advanced Java class if you want. Okay. Already exception handling completed. That's what you can join in advanced Java class. With this knowledge, you can join in advanced Java class also, even Selenium class also, Android class also, and SAP NetWeaver. So many courses are there. Salesforce and Oracle apps, Oracle ADF. So many courses, core Java prerequisite. For all, up to exception handling knowledge required. For all. Okay. For learning advanced Java, up to yesterday knowledge required. For learning Selenium also, up to yesterday knowledge required. For learning Android also, up to yesterday knowledge required. Okay. So now you are going to learn application part. But application part is very less in advanced Java, core Java class. Advanced Java nodes, everyday application only, everyday real-time Java you will see. Okay. Now, advanced Java very interesting. Online shopping, online exams, online results, login, registration, that type of programming. But if you are perfect up to exception handling, then only can understand. Okay. For advanced Java, Selenium, Android, these all courses up to exception handling required. Up to exception handling, if you are perfect, advanced Java is nothing. Very simple. Okay. Now, today you are going to see Java streams. Java streams. First of all, finally block in this topic I'll explain. In this topic only, finally block I'll explain. See, first day onwards, every day we are writing system.out.println. That is, you will understand today. Okay. Every day we are writing system.out.println. But I didn't explain. That is, you are going to see today. See, Java streams. First, what is stream? A stream is a flow of data from source to destination. A stream is a flow of data from source to destination. A stream is a flow of data from source to destination. So data flow from one place to another place, that is called stream. Suppose, for example, keyboard is a source, monitor is a destination. Whatever I am typing data traveled from keyboard to monitor, no? So it is a stream. Whatever I am typing from keyboard, it is coming to monitor. So keyboard is a source, monitor is a destination. So a stream is a flow of data from source to destination. Now source is a keyboard, monitor is a destination, but not only keyboard, monitor, many things. Next, a source can be a keyboard, client, server, file, dash dash, etc. A destination can be a monitor, client, server, file, dash dash, etc. A source can be a keyboard, client, server, file, dash dash, etc. A destination can be a monitor, client, server, file, dash dash, etc. See, from keyboard you can send, monitor will receive. Say keyboard will send, monitor will receive, but files are there. Both side is there. Source side also is there, destination also is there. From file, reading possible. For data, you can write to file also. Receiving possible, sending possible. But keyboard, sending only. Receiving not possible, no? Monitor, receiving only. Sending not possible, no? But touch monitors are different. Touch monitor, nothing but input. Say, example, ATM center. You are going to touch. That is, it will take user input. Touch monitor is input device also. Okay. But this monitor, if I touch, nothing will happen. No? So it is not input device. But touch monitor is input device also we can call. Touch monitors, input also, output also. It will take input also, it will give output also. That is input output both. Now these streams, write it in Java. Streams are divided into 3 categories. First one, console input output streams. Second one, file input output streams. Third one, network input output streams. In Java, streams are divided into 3 categories. First one, console input output streams. Second one, file input output streams. Third one, network input output streams. So actually number of streams are 6. Categories 3. Console input stream, console output stream, file input stream, file output stream, network input stream, network output stream. Like that, total number of categories 3. Number of streams are 6. 6 streams are there, 3 categories are there. Now, but we are using general words also. Accepting. Accepting means input or output. Accepting, input. Displaying, output. Reading, input. Reading, input. Writing, output. Reading is input, writing is output. Sending, confusion. Sending is output, receiving input. Receiving input, sending output. Don't get confused. Okay. Reading input, writing output, sending output, receiving input. Otherwise you call like this only better. Instead of calling other words. According to Java, these words only you have to call. Okay. So accepting data from keyboard, input. Displaying data on monitor, output. Reading data from file, input. Writing data to a file, output. Sending data in network, output. Receiving data from network, input. That is terminology. Okay. But with these 6 streams, 5 combinations possible. The combination, okay, already diagram is there, 1 minute. Here diagram is there, this diagram. Okay. See, here, what I given, see, it is keyboard, it is monitor. If you type from keyboard, directly it will not come to monitor. First, data temporarily stored in the RAM, that will come to monitor. So, keyboard to RAM, console input stream. RAM to monitor, console output stream. In C language, we are calling standard input stream, standard output stream. The terminology changed in C++ and Java. Console input stream, console output stream. So reading from keyboard is called console input stream. Writing to monitor is called console output stream. Reading from file is called file input stream. Writing to monitor, console output stream. It is reading from file. It is writing to monitor only, console output stream. Here, reading from file, writing to another file, file output stream. Reading from file, file input stream. Writing to another file, file output stream. Reading from keyboard, console input stream. Writing to file, file output stream. Client to server, sending, output, receiving, input, sending, output, receiving, input. Like this, 6 streams, 5 combinations only possible. Combination 5. Because keyboard always input, monitor always output. That is the reason 5 combinations possible. Now, whatever I accepted from keyboard, I want to display on monitor. But till you didn't see how to accept data from keyboard, like a scanf function in C language. You didn't see. That is you will see today. So reading from keyboard, accepting data from keyboard, till I didn't explain. Command line argument I explained. Command line argument. But like a scanf function I didn't explain. That you will see today. So this is one type. Here reading from file, displaying on monitor. So hard disk to RAM, RAM to monitor. This is one type of application. Through Java program, file content we can display on monitor. Through Java program, we can copy. One file content, I can copy to another file. See, it is nothing but, actually what we'll do, you'll open C drive. You'll open C drive. This is one file. If you want to copy, what we'll do? Right click, copy. Again, right click, paste. You'll do. But actually backside program is running, no? You are going to click only. Backside on program will be there. That program you are going to learn. So here right click copy means it will read from file. It will read from file. Again right click paste means it will write to another file. Nothing but this type. It will read from file. It will write to file. Copy means hard disk to RAM. Paste means RAM to hard disk. But you are going to click copy paste. When you click on copy, backside one program will run. Again, when you click on paste, one more program will run. But that program you are going to learn with Java. That is possible. Okay. So 5 combinations possible. So keyboard to RAM, RAM to monitor, console input stream, console output stream. It is hard disk. File will be in hard disk. Hard disk to RAM, RAM to monitor. File input stream, console output stream. It is file input stream, file output stream. It is console input stream, file output stream. It is network input, one system to other system sending, receiving. That is also stream. That is also stream. It is only LAN. Internet programming is advanced Java. LAN programming is core Java. It is only LAN, local area network. But Hyderabad to US, if you want to send, advanced Java. That internet. Internet application different. Internet applications, servers required, solid topic required. Here only core Java, LAN programming possible. Local area network. Okay. These diagrams noted. Here I written shortcuts CIS, console input stream, console output stream, file input stream, file output stream, network output stream, network input stream. Noda? So number of streams are 6, categories are 3, combinations are 5. Is it over? So CAS, COS, console input stream, console output stream. FIS, FOS, file input stream, file output stream. NIS, NOS, network input stream, network output stream. Okay. Already here I given 3 categories of streams. Any confusion is there? File input stream, file output stream, console input stream, console output. That is only in short form I written. Here client server. Client is sending to network. Network output stream. Server is receiving from network. Network input stream. Again server sending to network. Network output stream. From network it is receiving. Network input stream. Okay. Next. Predefined streams. If I explain 10 times also, one person will ask repeat again. It will be happen. Because chat box is always ready, no? If I disable chat box, what will happen is, if screen is stuck or voice is not coming, that purpose we enabled. But every time repeat. See how many times I repeated? 4 or 5 times I repeated, no? But again explain once again. See the doubt. Explain diagram. Already 3 times I explained. See, predefined streams. In every language, predefined streams will be there. Here, first one in, second one out, third one ERR. In, out, ERR. This is if I explain 3 times also, again 5 times also if I explain, one more person will ask 6 times also. Because that is diagram only. This is coding. It is coding. See, that's what listen with more concentration. Repeat once again means I cannot do anything. How many times I have to repeat? You have to concentrate. See, listen with more concentration. It is not easy. It is not easy. Okay. Here, write it. In is an object reference of java.io.input string class. Out and ERR are object references of java.io.printstream class. In is an object reference of java.io.inputstream class. Out and ERR are object references of java.io.printstream class. The above all predefined streams are in java.lang.system class. It is confusion will be there. You have to listen with more concentration. 2-3 times I'll explain, but you have to listen with more concentration. In, out, ERR. In is an object reference of java.io.inputstring class. Out and ERR are object references of java.io.printstream class. The above all predefined streams are in java.lang.system class. See, 3 classes profile. If I open, you'll understand these all. 3 classes profile. Input stream, print stream, system. 3 classes. This class profile, this class profile, this class profile required. Okay. Now, first this class I'll open. Next this class I'll open. Next this class I'll open. While opening, I'll ask some questions, you have to give answer. Whatever you studied with that knowledge. See. Here, java.io.input stream. Okay. I'll copy to your file. Already Java P command you have seen. Here, Unnecessary things I'll remove. Present whatever required I'll place. Here one method required, only one method. Here just I'll remove package name. Again and again is there, I'll remove. This method, it is used to accept the data from keyboard. See, in C language scanf function is there, no? That is equal to this one. First you write this one, I'll explain, just write it. Write this one. It is used to accept the data from keyboard. It is used to accept the data from keyboard. Here, what is the method name? What is the method name? Read. Is it accessible? Yes. How do you know? Public. Is it instance method or class method? Instance method. How do you know? There is no static. What is the return type of this method? Int. How many parameters are there? 1. Which type? Byte array type, not byte. Byte array type. Will it throw exception? Yes. Which exception? IO exception. IO exception is checked exception or unchecked exception? Checked exception. Is it mandatory to handle? Yes. If you don't handle, what will happen? Compile time error occurs. No. Is it possible first class? Not possible, no. Exception handling is there, no. It is compulsory to handle. That's what these many classes you didn't learn. Okay. Later one more scanner class introduced to make it simple, this one. But that is also based on this only. Okay. Now here, for calling this method, object or object reference compulsory. Which class object required? Which class object required? That method in which class? Input stream. So input stream object required or input stream object reference required. Just now I given notes. Input stream reference is there? Yes. What is it? In which class? Input in is a reference of input stream class, but in which class it is there? The above all predefined streams are in system class. So again, that is member of system class. Now, actually, I want to call this method. It is instance method. Listen with more concentration. It is instance method. Instance method, there are two ways to access. Either object or object reference. Which class object? Input stream. Input stream object or input stream reference required. But input stream reference already present, because in is an input stream reference only. In is an object reference of input stream. So no need to create object. No need to create reference. It is already is there. Already is there in the library. But where it is? In system class. What do you mean? The above all predefined streams are in java.lang.system class. So system class profile we have to open. Then you'll understand. Okay. Before going to that one, this one I'll open. java.io.print stream. Here. This class. Here 19 methods are there. Print 10 methods, 9 methods, print ln 10 methods, 19 methods. See, print 10 methods, print ln 10 methods. So print 9 methods, print ln 10 methods. Just a package name I'll remove because no need to write again and again. Now these 19 methods, what purpose we use? To display data on monitor. See, the above all methods are used to display data on monitor. We use. Now you observe. Print 9 times is there. 9 times. Now method name same. Parameter list is different. That is called method name same. Parameter list different. Overloading or overriding? Overloading. Overloaded. See, print method 9 times overloaded. Print ln method 10 times overloaded. 10 times. Now, see what we are doing. System.out.println. See, int x equal to suppose int x equal to 10. System.out.println x you are writing. Then if it is float also, suppose float y equal to 20.4 f. System.out.println y. See, actually it is method. It is method. Okay. This is which type I am passing? Integer type. It is which type I am passing? When you pass integer, this method called. When you pass float, this method called. What do you mean? See, one method only appears to you, but actually 10 methods are there. Now everyday system.out.println you are writing. If you pass integer, integer method called. If you pass float, float method called. If you pass string, string method called. If you pass byte array, byte array method not there. Character array, character method called. Double method is there. Boolean method, character method. So it is not one method. 10 methods are there. 10 methods. Overloading. Okay. Now 10 methods are there. 10 methods. If you pass integer parameter, this method called. If you pass float method parameter, this method called. If you pass boolean, this method called. If you pass character, this method called. Like that. 10 methods are there. 10 methods. These 10 methods, instance methods or class methods. Is all instance method. How many ways to access? 2 ways. What are those? Object reference. Which class object required? Print stream object required. So print stream object or print stream object reference required. But out, ERR, these 2 object references of print stream only. Okay. These references we can use, but where these all? In system class. Okay. For understanding, that class also have to open. First of all, you write this one. So this first method, write complete. Second method onward, write it only parameter. Total 19 methods are there. It is also first one write it, second one onward write parameter only. Same methods, boolean, only print println. Public is there, void is there. Method name also same, only parameters write it. First one write complete, second one onwards write it only parameter. Println difference is print if you use after printing cursor will be in the same line. Println if you use after printing cursor comes to next line. That is only difference. Now these all methods, instance methods or class methods. Instance methods. How many ways to access? 2 ways. What are those? Object reference. Which class object required? Which class? Print stream object required. Print stream object already present. That object referred by out and ERR. Those objects already present. One object referred by out, one more object referred by ERR. Out and ERR present in which class? System class. If I open system class profile, you will get a clarity. See, Java P, java.lang.system. Here, object references or reference variables. Write these all. Object references or reference variables. First, write. I'll explain. Object references, reference variables. In the library, method name only appears. Method body not appears. Here reference only appears. Right side part not appears. Right side object will be there, no? That will not appear in library. In the library, method name appears. Method body will not appears. Here object reference appears. Object not appears. But it is there. If not there, we cannot access, no? No. Now, what is in object reference of which class? Confusion started. In is object reference of input stream. Already notes I given, no? What I given? In is an object reference of input stream. I given notes 5 minutes back only given. Now, that's what listen with more concentration. Now, what is in object reference? Object reference of which class? Input stream. What is out? Object reference of which class? Print stream. What is ERR? Object reference of which class? Print stream. First that is clear, no? Object reference, can I call it as variable? Yes or no? Primitive type variable or reference type variable? Reference type variable. So it is reference type variable, it is reference type variable, it is reference type. That is the reason heading I given. Object references in the brackets, reference variables. Now, you studied variables. How many types of variables are there? 3 types. What are those? Instance variables, class variables, local variable. These 3 which type of variables? Which type variable? Class variables. Because static. These 3 class variables. How many ways to access class variable? 4 ways. What are those? Directly, class name, object reference. How many ways not recommended? 2 ways. What are those? Object reference, leave it. When we have to use directly? Same class. When we have to use class name? Different class. Now these references in which class? System class. Can we access in demo class directly? No. Then how to access? By using class name. Then how to call? System.in, system.out, system.err. System.in because static. System.in, system.out, system.err. So system.in, system.out, system.err. What's the difference between out and err? I'll explain. Wait, okay. Now, system.in, system.out, system.err. Because static, static, static. These all are static. Okay. Now, using in, which class methods we can access? Which class? Input stream methods we can access. Using out, which class method we can access? Print stream. Using ERR, which class methods? Print stream. So by using this one, input stream method we can access. By using these two, print stream methods we can access. Okay. Now, again I'll ask one more time. Now, this println method I want to access. I want to display welcome message. This is required. This println method I want to access. Is it instance method or class method? How many ways to access? What are those? Which class object required for this? Which class? Print stream. Using print stream reference can I access? Yes. Using print stream reference also we can access. Print stream reference is present in system class. Okay. Now, print stream reference is out ERR. With these two we can access, no? If you want to access these two also, first we should access. These two, which type of variables? Class variables. By using class name. That's what we are writing. System.out.println welcome. Now this line once again I'll ask. Now, println method is a method of which class? Question different angle I'll ask. Println method belongs to which class? Which class? Print stream. Okay. Out is the reference of which class? Which class? Print stream. Out is a member of which class? System class. Okay. So between system class and print stream class, relationship is there. That is which relationship? Is a or has a? That is also confusion. Has a relationship. Has a. What do you mean? Has a. Print stream reference created in system. System has a print stream. System has a input stream. That type. Okay. For getting more clarity about this line, myself, I'll create one program. See. File, open. See. Class A. Okay. Now, void show string yes. System.out.println yes. Now show method. Show method, instance method or class method? Instance method. How many ways to access? What are those? Which class object required? A class object. I am creating A class object as a member of B class. Now, what is small a? Object reference of which class? Which class? A class. It is a member of which class? That object reference, can I call variable? Is it instance variable or class variable or local variable? What happened? That A is an instance variable or class variable or local variable? Which variable? Instance, local, class, all selecting. Confusion started again. All selected, local, instance, class. Now 1 minute. How many people answer instance variable? How many people answer class variable? How many will answer local variable? These many classes over. Okay. Majority people. Okay, 1 minute. Online students, just raise your hand. How many people answer instance variable? 1 minute, 1 minute. I'll remove these all. 1 minute. How many people answer is instance variable? Just raise your hand. 21. 23 members instance variable. Right. Okay. Next. How many people answer class variable? 3 members. 4 members. How many people answer local variable? Okay. In a online, majority people selected instance variable. In offline, majority people selected local variable. Okay. Now, online, majority people selected instance variable. Offline, majority people selected local variable. First of all, what is local variable? Inside, where is method? You selected local variable. Where is method? Here, this variable inside a method is there. Inside a method or outside a method? Outside a method. That means instance variable or class variable? Instance variable. Class variable means? But static is not there. Class variable also selected. Few students selected, no? Class variable also selected, you observe. So, if I give options, they'll select one value. Blindly they'll select. So, this is instance variable. Instance variable. Now, class variable. Okay. Now, another class. Public static void main string args. Now, this small a is a reference of which class? It is a member of which class? B class. That is clear, no? Any doubt is there? No. This small a which type of variable now? Class variable or instance variable or local variable? Class variable. Okay. Now, for calling this method, which class object required? Here A class object. That reference is member of B class. This small a, if you want to access, how many ways? How many ways? 4 ways. Now 2 ways not recommended. This is directly can access here? No. Without access? Class name. What we have write? Capital B dot small a. With this small a, can I call show method? Yes or no? Yes. Dot show. It will take string. It will take string, no? I'll pass welcome. Okay. Now, I'll hide remaining. I'll show you only this one. Okay. That line equivalent to like this. You observe. Here B nothing but system. Here A nothing but out. Here show nothing but println. Now give me answer. Show method belongs to which class? A class. Is it instance method or class method? How many ways to access? What are those? Which class reference required? A class. It is a reference of which class? A class. It is a member of which class? That is instance variable or class variable? That is the reason B dot A dot show. Now, println method belongs to which class? Which class? Print string class. Is it instance method or class method? For calling that method, which class reference required? Print stream. Out is a reference of which class? Print stream. But it is a member of which class? That is instance variable or class variable? That is the reason system.out.println. Clear no? So like a system.out.println, one program I written. Okay, myself I written for understanding. Now see, same system.out.println, how it will be internally, that type one program I written. File, save, compilation, Java C demo.java. See, Java demo. This system.out.println in first class, if I explain, can you understand? That is the reason these many classes. Got it? So every day we first day welcome program only we are writing. But if I explain, will you understand? No. See in that line only, all will jump to other classes. They'll stop Java. They'll go to other courses. .NET, later testing. Again, they'll come to Java. Because Selenium required core Java, no? Most of the students, what they'll do in Amirpet is, first they'll come to Java only. Little bit hard appears. They'll jump to .NET. They are also not easy. They are also little bit hard. They'll jump to testing. Testing, manual testing, easy. Again, Selenium automation. Selenium purpose, core Java required. Again, they'll come back to core Java. They'll rotate in Amirpet only. Okay. See, write this one. It is a reference of A class and it is a static member of B class. In the above example, B has a A. So like a system.out.println, one program I written. It is a reference of A class and it is a static member of B class. In the above example, B has a A. So small a is a reference of A class and it is a static member of B class. So in the above example, B has a A. Extends keyword is there, is a. Extends is not there, has a. Only two types of relationships. According to UML language, 8 relationships are there, but in Java only 2 relationships. Is it over? Now here system dot out dot println. Welcome. In this, out is a reference of which class? Reference of print stream class. And it is a static member of which class? System class. So system has a print stream. Write this one. Out is a reference of print stream class and it is a static member of system class. So system has a print stream. Is it over? Now, how to accept data from keyboard? That will take more time. I'll teach first out and ER difference I'll teach today. That is tomorrow I'll teach. Say system.out and system.err. That is I'll show you. See, now don't write, first listen. Now public static void main string args. See system.out.println something core Java. System.err.println something advanced Java. I written. Now out is a reference of which class? Print stream. ERR is a reference of which class? So same. We can access println method. With out also we can access. With ERR also we can access. Out is a member of which class? ERR. That's what you can write. Now here out I written, here ERR written. Okay. File. Save. Well, compile. Any difference is there? Any difference is there? No difference. Okay. Now Java demo, I'll write one greater than symbol. It is nothing but redirection operator. Instead of displaying here, we can redirect one file name. So if you write like this, it will display here only. If you write like this, it will be redirected to this file. This greater than symbol is called redirection operator in this command prompt. Okay. If you write greater than symbol and file, what will be happen? This output not displayed, redirected to a file. While redirecting, what will be happen? Just you observe. What is printed? Advanced Java. But core Java not printed, no? Core Java redirected. Advanced Java not redirected. That is a difference. Now, whatever I written with out, that is redirected. Whatever I written with ERR, not redirected. That's what. Now, whatever you are getting output every day, programs we are running, output you are coming, no? Output you are getting. That is temporarily will be there or permanently will be there output. This output temporary or permanently? Temporary. Once if you close this window, that is vanished. Okay. Output, if you want to store permanently, this operator we can use. Then this output permanently stored in this file. This output permanently stored in a file, a.txt file. So every day you are writing programs. What you are doing? Java demo you are writing. You are seeing output, you are closing. Output every day if you want to store permanently, you can redirect. Like any program after writing, that output permanently if you want to store in hard disk, just greater than symbol one file name, greater than symbol one file name, it is going to be stored permanently in the hard disk. So your program output permanently if you want to store, we can use this. Now, whatever I written with out, stored. Whatever I written with ERR, not stored. Now, error messages permanently required. That's what ERR you have to write. Okay. Out also you can write. ERR also you can write. But output message purpose out. Error message purpose ERR. Catch block what we are writing. That is the reason I written previous classes ERR. Got it? But out place ERR, if you write ERR place out, you write, it works. In this situation, different. Okay. Now, before going to this, you write this one. Differences between system.out and system.err. One side system.out, one more side system.err. First difference, it is used to display output messages. Only two differences are there. It is used to display error messages. This stream data can be redirected. To a file. This stream data cannot be redirected. System.out, system.err. Outside, this stream data can be redirected to a file. This stream data cannot be redirected. So error message permanently not required. That's what ERR. Output message sometimes permanently will store. That is the reason out. For this example, output you have to write. Is it over? Example, note down. Example. Example, program write it. After program, output also write it. After program. Both. This one write it, this one write it. Now, if I open file, in that file, core Java will be there. See? Start notepad a.txt. Then core Java will be there. Now, after program, write the output also. Write the program, write the output. If you run the program like this, no difference. If you run the program like this, difference is there. How to accept data from keyboard? That is tomorrow I'll explain. Finally, block. Tomorrow I'll explain. Output also write it. Then only you'll understand the difference. Okay. We'll see continuation tomorrow. Online students, just wait. Online student, just wait. Now, what are your doubts? 1 minute, one by one I'll clarify. One by one I'll clarify your doubts. Chaitu. Greater than symbol nothing but it is redirection operator. See here what is happened? Core Java redirected, but advanced Java not redirected. So it is printed but not redirected. That is the difference. Printed but not redirected to your file. Next, Neha. Throw and throws. Throw keyword used to throw an object. Throws keyword, it is used to apply exception and it is also used to handle exception. Throws keyword nothing but instead of try catch also we can use throws. Likita, yeah, advanced Java also myself I'll teach. Yeah, Chaitu, I give an answer. Printed but not redirected. Greater than symbol nothing but it is redirection operator. Redirection operator. It is called redirection operator. Next. In Notepad, advanced Java not showing. That is only difference between Sudhir. That is only difference. That is only difference between ERR out. See, whatever you write with out, that is stored in a file also. ERR, it cannot be stored. That is a difference. Printing, redirecting, not same. No, this time after advanced completion of this core Java, they may assign core Java or they may assign advanced Java, they may assign Python. Which batch they are going to assign, we cannot predict. We are like if any advanced Java batch is there, you can join. Because up to exception handling only required. No need to wait. You can join. Any other doubt? Any other doubt? Okay, like this only you ask end of the session, I will clarify your doubts. It is better. Sudhir, yeah, thank you. Thank you. Suman Joshi, no recordeds. Recordings will not be provided. No recordings. Okay. We'll see continuation tomorrow. Any doubts? Any doubts are there? No doubts? We'll see continuation tomorrow. End of the class, any doubt you can ask. While running, new people, they cannot understand. That is the reason. Any doubts are there? We'll see continuation tomorrow.